and goes so on. Right at the top, the channel here could go down, but it could come back up, go back up here above the 33 and start to run again. So you trade it every 50 cents above that $32.50.
Talking about
Very nice move here. If you who missed in the morning, this could be a second opportunity here after it do shenanigans. If try to get people back to the interest, so they have to let people make some money. So draw some people in, and then after a little while, they probably continue with shenanigan again. So there's always they try to get people back in play before they start to do their thing. So just capture that middle ground there at the initial move, and you should be doing okay. All right, make some money there. $30, $32.50, and every 50 cents above. So Bob, are you in the room?
Yeah, sure am, Tyler. Yep.
And I take over the screen quickly. I just want to show people, folks, the cost setup here.
Sure. Yep, sounds good. Just let me know when you're done.
All right.
Ooh. Hold that.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, so Dixie brought up a really nice point here, and she did alone the room. So if you guys traded, it can work for any stock, but especially this setup here for the big stocks, you can make a nice money even on the equity side. Not like after the fact, but here just pretend that you don't see this yet, okay? And I'll show you how this works. Right, so you have the stock go up and double tops up here in the morning, right around 5:25. Come back now, break below the pre-market low right here. Pre-market support about 518, 517 and a half. Went down here and make a rejection here in the bottom here at 512, 511. Come back up. So as it start going down, if you're looking for a bounce play, wait until a possible setup, a reversal setup. Okay, as we speak, like I said, on the Indo, every 50 cents over the $32.50, we just stop loss up. Around $31 and probably where you just want to stop out, $30.80. So you look for the reversal setup, right? Or when the stock go up, you're looking for a reversal as well. If you're looking to short it, since you're looking to long the stock, when the stock going down, looking for a reversal. So Dixie was calling here in this area. This area is, I think, it's a vwap, as she called it. So without knowing about the vwap or this move here, so what I was looking for is the divergence setup. Okay. So the very famous one we use and we talked about in this room was the rectangle or the box. Right. Also, as we speak here, the SPY is starting to go bounce back. So as you keep trending up here, so we see a bounce with a support, higher low and higher high here on the SPY. So look for SPY to trade up to the resistance areas of 430, 433. So look forward to trade back to 433 area on the SPY if you're interested on that. Check. Could be double top right here, but check for get over the 432, we can make another point up. So I'm looking at for a any combo would be best, even better. So for example, this one right here on the Costco. So Dixie called it right here. It's 516, which is the VWAP. But beside that, what you see here, it's starting to break in the descending top line here. You can see, just draw the lines on the channel. All right, so it's starting to break the descending top line right there on this right here. And also we have a rectangle backs in coming in play here between 514 to 516. So in the $2 range here. So it's a stack coming back, and we got a combo here: the descending break the descending top line, and also a going over the rectangle our backs, how the divergence
All right,
is set up.
shaky.
So you see this combo, and plus it's get back over the VWAP. You can look at the VWAP as a possible resistance right here. Since it break here, you get triple reason to buy the stock on the bounce. So when you see this here, the combo, the descending top line break and get back over the rectangle. The version setup that we have talked about this in this room that we taught people. Our room here for a couple of years now, right? And plus this
Look
got
at that
back over the
move.
VWAP, which is the possible resistance. So then we got this confirmation. You see, this is right. This is your confirmation line. So you see that happen. You start to trade back and look at maybe the first. That's your entry right here. That the VWAP where Dixie calling. And then my
Yes.
first
Yeah.
6 scale out would be right there at 520 or lacking the profit. You can see here, this is support turned into resistance. So this could be a possible resistance. As you can see, it's got up to this here to come back down. It held. If it didn't hold here, come back down here. But it held here. It held the trend line. So if you get into the trade, then you can scale out at the resistance and move the stop below the trend line. And then you should be doing okay right here. As you can see, it's kind of starting to do that and continue to go to up. So looking at the second scale out would be your double tops up here. So it did hit here, come back down, held the trend line, come back up, come back down, held the trend line again here. This is come into support, come back up. So this is where your final stop now with the come back down below 524.50. So look for the stop right here if you're still in the trade. Just keep doing that. Stay in the trend, stay in the trade once you get the setup going. Okay. So there we go. You get this here with the divergence setup on a long side here. Okay. So the bullish divergence on this. That is a nice setup combo with the descending top line break and then the break over the VWAP for your confirmations.
It's still going.
As a resistance as being taken over, resistance being broken down, and balls are taken over, and you should continue to trade to the upside here on this trade. So we don't know how far can this go. We just draw the line. So for example, you don't see all this. You just kind of draw your resistance. This could be a possible resistance right here as well. Right in that spot, you can see there and there. So this is I call the bull buffer zone here. This is the buffer zone here. Okay, so this is where I probably lock in my profit or at least scale out majority of it. Anything above here could be a bonus. Okay, so right now we're in a bonus
blurry.
side. Okay.
Come on.
And now your final stop will be right in this area. Okay.
All righty.
Everybody got it? And then if you see this again, this is a very nice setup. You got the combo here plus the confirmation of the VWAP.
I'll point it out if I see another one. Love it.